Bob Jimbos. Today we have a new addition to the Quadtip gang.
We do.
It's something you may not expect. Here it is. You shot the J's. You get on the light. So we got a custom exhaust on the Golf. The custom axle back setup. I just cut the rear muffler off. There's a big muffler box up here, and then got these puppies welded on. It's two dual tips, two Y pipes, and then another Y pipe connecting the two. And this was done by none other than Johnny Franklin's Mufflers. They're located either in Santa Rosa or San Rafael, and they actually did his Mustang's rear mufflers, so they're the boys.
V6.
Yeah, the V6.
Alright, just gun it. Johnny boy, look at your silhouette. I don't even know what this is picking up right now. Look at, do something. Hit the whip.
My pocket's deep.
Ooh! Come right to me. Come right to me, Billy. Hey there!
Pickle fried onions.
This guy. Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
We got the bag, we got the bag, we got go. Okay. I gotta put on my seatbelt. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah! We're good, boys.
Oh, I don't want to go here. There's fucking
What? Go this way.
road work.
Flex on these fools. You hear me?
Water over there, Charlie. Oh, what is that noise? So I have stock downpipe, stock mid muffler.
Ow, fuck.
Nice. Just no rear muffler. And I plan to get a unitronic downpipe actually, and then eventually get Golf R turbo, but we'll see.
Let's do a sound clip with the windows up.
Windows up?
Yeah, windows up.
Go for it.
Oh, oh, he's gonna rub. He's gonna rub.
60.
Oh, he didn't rub.
I was 25.
You're 25?
25 and a 60.
No. Oh, 25. Oh, 25 and a 60. Okay, that makes sense. At least you're being safe.
Alright, Bob Radinos, that concludes this one from us. We have more coming. I have LAMIN-X headlight and taillight tints coming for the Golf, but fucking ECS shipping, again, I ordered them 3 weeks ago. Haven't been shipped yet. But I ordered the premium auto solutions, their front and rear reflector delete, and that is being delivered today, and I ordered it like after, so we'll see when that comes. Stay tuned, you little Jim Bobs.
Oh,
Start.
Oh, little snack.
But we might be able
And
to
another
use,
one. Look at that. Wait for it.
we might be able to use
Wait
the other
for
one.
it. And there it is, another one. Even though it's an eco beast. Sorry we missed this Monday. You know, boys. This fucking light on because now we have power. I can turn these lights on in the car. We had a little
Power outage in our entire
power
county.
outage, yeah. The whole county is out of power. We have nothing to do. We're just running around shooting videos and shit. Oh my. Alright, we almost lost the splitter. All you can do when there's no power is mess around with cars. I don't know what people are doing. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, Buzz.
My pockets deep, 3 inches from my feet.